Hello viewers, today I am going to discuss about solids removal. So how to remove the solids from our drilling mud. So where we are getting these solids? So generally we are getting these all solids which are drilled inside the well bore coming outside to the mud system. So first and foremost from the well bore it is coming through flow line. After it is coming to possum belly, then it reaches to shale checker. From there shale checker we will separate the big cuttings, maybe shale, lime, whatever the stones they are coming from the well bore, we are separating with the help of shale checker. If if any additional amount of weighted particles or maybe a waste particles which are presented inside the mud, again processed with the help of solid removal control systems. As we know that by this solid removal also we are having so many service companies. Okay, so what are the benefits of solid removal? Drilled solids equipment. What is the equipment we are using? Mostly shale checker, deck and screens, vibration motion. In that shale checker we are discussing most common models, cranes, dimensions of solids removed, and desander and desilter, mud cleaner, and decantation centrifuge. So see here what are the benefits of solids removal. A large quantity of solids in the mud can cause many problems during drilling. It also results in high mud treatment costs trying to maintain the shape of the mud. The purpose of solid removal equipment is to contain the percentage of solid in the mud at an acceptable level. If the level is exceeding the acceptable limit, then there is a problem. If it is less, also a big problem. We have to maintain all the time mud weight in a appropriate manner. Respect to zone, we have to maintain the mud level, mud weight. So you see here there are two systems for solids removal. In left side there is a solid removal system for offshore rig, and in right side is solid removal system for small land rig. So what are the main things here available? Main parts are available. You see here, first one, this one is Gumbos clapper, 1 per 1500 GPM, gallons per minute. GPM means this here well, from that well it is screened, then it is go to shaker 1, fine screen shaker. First it is a normal screening, after it is going to fine screen, and then it is go to in this right direction, then it is move to this desander. So in that descender it remove the what are the sands particles which are presented in the mud, and per cone it is discharging 500 gallons per minute. So cone it's shaped like a cone, so because of that cone we are removing the what are the weighted particles which are present inside the mud. Later it goes to desilter. So the see the difference between the descender and the desilter. So descender we are discharging more mud, that is 500 gallons per minute in one cone. But in case of desilter we are 60 gallons per cone desilter. So here we are using, suppose if we are using 4 desilters, then 4 multiply of 60, 240 gallons per minute for all cones. Here we are using two cones, so 500 multiplied by 2, then it will give 500 gallons per minute. So respectively what is the capacity of that cone, it depends upon the discharge. Then next it is entered to centrifuge, low speed. Barrette recovery may be needed. If needed, then we will use this centrifuge by removing the barrette from the oil based mud. So mostly oil base is very dangerous and very environmental problems if spillage occurs. because it is very cost effective and very harmful, not only environment for the people who are working in their environment. And next one is data, all active compartments. Then it goes to again mud system. From their mud system to again it goes to well bore well. So and here you see solids removal system for small laundry. As same before we discussed it in the offshore, here also there is a shell checker, and later it is goes to uh, same like desander, later desilter, and next it is goes to again mud agitator, then it goes to again mud system. So that is the difference between the two systems. Then what are the benefits? Benefits of low solids contents are high rate of penetration during drilling, increased bit life. The most important thing is bit, because when we are going to last section or before the last section we have to enter the most of the stands, maybe 200 to 300 stands. If the bit is continuously wearing, then there is a problem of pull out. Pull out is take to 1 day, 1.5 day like that. If bit is continuously wearing, then big problem for us. Reduced mud control cost, reduced mud pump maintenance cost, reduced possibility of stuck pipe, more regular hole geometry, reduced need for mud dilution, increased cement efficiency, reduced BHA. All these things. Okay, we are. Thank for watching.